This is the new, patented Power Xtreme Quick Transmission Fluid Exchanger. First, for your safety, push the foot brake down. This will allow the machine to be rotated 360 degrees and stops it from rolling over. Second, open the lid on tank 2. And we're going to add 13 quarts of new transmission fluid through the 2.5-inch opening. Then close the lid by tightening up the wing nuts, hand tighten only. Third, pull out the transmission dipstick and replace the funnel in the dipstick taupe so we can add the transmission fluid cleaner. Fourth, start the vehicle. Make sure your foot is on the brake so you can shift through the gears. Repeat 2 to 3 times, then turn the car off. Hook up the aluminum gun on the hood of the car. Insert the nylon hose in the transmission fill tube all the way to the end. Sixth, connect the nylon hose to the aluminum gun. You can also adjust the gun level height by pulling on the small wire cables. Seventh, connect the shop air. Eighth, to perform this service, we're going to turn the green valve to on-open position first, and then open the black valve on the aluminum gun so the old fluid can be vacuumed out to the old fluid tank 1. Now the old fluid is vacuumed through the poly wire hose to tank 1. Like you can see on the level indicator, shows we have 3 quarts of the old fluid out, so we're going to replace it with the same amount of new fluid in. You can also add fluid conditioner inside the new fluid tank too. This conditioner bottle is designed like a funnel to eliminate spilling when you add it to the new fluid tank. That gives you a total of 13 quarts. Ninth, close the lid. Close the black valve on the aluminum gun and open the red valve to add 3 quarts of the new transmission fluid. Once the new fluid reaches down to 10 quarts on the level indicator, hook up the cables to the battery and push the black button to auto mode. 10th, start the car. 11th, open both valves on, the black and the red on the aluminum gun. The black valve for the old fluid, the red one for the new fluid. 12th, push the red start button on the panel and let the machine do the exchange. 13, repeat step 4 and go through the gears. The LED light indicates when the old fluid is vacuumed out and your new fluid is going in. Once you see the blue LED light on, the service is done. Now we've vacuumed 13 quarts out of the old fluid and replaced it with new transmission fluid to the maximum level in a safe way without any miss. Now, disconnect and pull the nylon hose out while the machine is running and replace it in the fluid collecting tube. Turn the machine off and close both valves on the aluminum gun. Make sure you check the transmission fluid dipstick level again for added safety.